Okay, so I'm on the gas in an area that I used to ride a lot. I haven't ridden here for over a year. Got the Skydio drone with me. This place used to be like a place I rode a lot, but then suddenly everyone started riding here. Kind of tore this place up. This particular trail. And I haven't. Oh. Man, that's loose. Haven't actually been on a bike for a little over 2 weeks now. Let's get this drone over to the side of us for fun here. See how that does. Oh shoot. Man, this sucker. This shell has just gotten so exposed. There's just like, this used to be like a blast to rip up and just let loose. Now there's so many freaking turned out rocks. It's not as fun to, oh my gosh, there's neutral. I clicked it. It never ceases to amaze me how hard it is to get neutral when you don't want to get neutral, and how frequently you get it when you don't want it. That's always perplexed me. Like, how the heck does this happen? I don't know. Now, I think I need to get the drone on the other side of me. So I just did the air screw mod, idle screw mod, I guess we'd call it, so that I can adjust. I'm throwing this too close to me. So that I can adjust the idle independently. This bike actually runs screaming good. 2022 Gas EC 300. It's a bloody screamer. No complaints with the way this bike runs. But we were idling just too low, you know, on the downhill stuff, especially. It was pretty bad. So put that idle screw in. I'm getting really good at that. I just heat it because they glue the screw in there. But I've done it on a lot of them. Getting to the point that I'm pretty proficient at it. I'm so beat up and I can't see. Got that sun glare in my eyes. Hard to see there. Yeah. But as I was saying before, this bike is just, it runs. I've got 2 more of these TPI bikes that I've bought here for 2022. I'm in the middle of setting up a 2022 kit. Man, I can't see for shoot. Looking right into the sun, and there's enough glare on my goggles. I need to replace this lens. It's clean, but it's so freaking scratched up that, man, when I'm looking into that sun at all, it's like there, I can't see anything. And I know there's a bunch of crazy rocks. Get this drone right up over top of me in front, bring it close, getting low-ish on battery, so I'll just go to the bottom of this and be done. Oh yeah. This is freaking steep and loose. I mean, it's not that steep, but it's really loose. And I don't want to die here. So I'm just going to take it easy. Okay, let's get that drone out of the sky before that battery completely dies.